Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video. I posted on my Facebook group a couple days ago that I got some packages from some of my favorite ceramic artists, and I wanted to show you one of them. I actually need to open the box and I'll be right back. These items are from Leah Clark at Carleh's Creations, and she always does the best job packaging. She sends it in a cardboard box, so because obviously ceramic is breakable, but she also uses bubble wrap and multiple layers of tissue and pretty bags. So I can't wait to get into this. She left me a note, so let me see. If you are part of my bead group, you would have seen me link you to her most recent sale. So let me read this. Okay, I'm super excited. Leah included the last time, I think, a free gift too, so I'll be excited to see if I think she said she put one in this one, so I can't wait to see what it is. But I have actually two orders. These were the things that were already finished, and she was making me an order two of things that had already sold out, so I'll have a follow-up to this video soon. I can't wait to see what's in here. I kind of went nuts because she had a really good sale. She had some clearance, and then I think I bought one thing, maybe one thing at regular price, and then the rest were on sale for just a few dollars each. I couldn't believe it. I was like, bye, bye, bye. Anyway, oh, these are so pretty. Okay, so here's some earring charms. You guys know I don't really wear earrings, so I'll probably use them on a necklace or bracelet. And I haven't shown you my Leah Clark drawer, but I have one, and I can show you in just a moment. But these are just some really cute triangles. I love the finish. That glaze is really awesome. Oh, I love this little part right there. Looks like gemstone almost. And then the back is finished too, so you can't really tell which one's the front and which one's the back. I love the feel of ceramic. And then we have these little guys. Very cute. Oh, this one's upside down. Very cool. These are definitely going to do something with my African or tribal beads with these, because they're they just remind me of that. Okay, let's see, what else do we have here? Okay, so we have a bracelet bar and a pendant, and these looked a little bit more orange on the site, but that's okay because I think these are actually a little bit more of my style anyway. These actually look remind me a lot of one of the bracelet bars I made recently, my fireworks one, just in a different color and a different shape. Just reminds me a lot of that. Yeah, these are really fun. This almost looks like a daisy or a sunflower or something. And I just love the bracelet bar. I love her bracelet bars. I love bracelet bars no matter who makes them, but hers are especially wonderful because she finishes the back and they're very smooth and lovely against your wrist. Okay. Okay, so another bracelet bar and a pendant. So they're similar, but just like the last one. Very cool. I like the green on here. And let me move this purple because I think it's changing the color of the beads. Yeah, see, they're not showing up the right color because of the purple. So this is more brown and green. These are lovely. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I have to make something with these. That's the one thing that gets me going about Leah's stuff, is like I immediately want to make stuff with her stuff. I think one of the last videos I did with her things, I showed you a bracelet right away, and then we have a pendant and then two earring charms. So here's the pendant. I just love it. She uses some non-traditional shapes, and you know that's me to the core. It's non-traditional right here. Put something with something that doesn't go that you wouldn't think it would go with. So these are cool. These kind of look like Christmas ornaments too. I like those. And I'm just loving that this isn't my normal color palette. You guys know that. I'm like turquoise and like other, I don't know, turquoise and purple and green. So I kind of stepped out of my comfort zone, and I'm so happy. And you'll see in a second when I show you my drawer that I have for her. They're all turquoise and purple and green. And I actually had an order earlier in the year, or later in last year, I should say, that I didn't show you guys of hers, so I'll be happy to show you those. Okay, so this is a free gift that she sent me for placing an order, and it's so cute. I don't know if she watches this channel, but you guys know this is my color, and I love sea-themed stuff, so very cool. I love that. That's so fantastic. Thank you, Leah. And then I told you I went a little nuts, but the prices were so good. She had such amazing prices because she was doing a clearance sale. Okay, another pendant and another bracelet bar. So here's the bracelet bar. Love it. And here's the pendant. I actually have similar beads that I had in my mind to make, but I was thinking of doing them white and terracotta and not brown and terracotta. So maybe this will give me some idea. I love this, the back, the finish on here. I wonder if that's the color of the clay or if you used a different glaze. Interesting. I don't think that's the color of the clay, but you know what? I don't know. So cool. Love it. I love this shape for the bracelet bar too. So neat. I might have to do a second drawer for Leah because I've got so much of her stuff now. And then let's see here. Oh yes, this is a little pendant. Very cool. And it's actually a little bit more subdued in real life than it was in the photos, which is kind of cool because I love this. This would look really neat with some sesame jasper. Sesame seed jasper? Sesame jasper? I think that would look really nice with it. And then we have, oh, I almost missed somebody. Oh, we have a little earring. Oh no, this is a little bracelet bar. I think I did end up paying full price for this one, but I can't. Yeah, I think I did because it's so cute. So cute. Love it. Look at that little guy. He's so detailed. And then last but not least, my favorite, and this one was full price too, of the entire thing. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. It's ginkgo leaves on a bracelet bar. I just love it. Love that like emerald color. So nice. Such a beautiful, beautiful bunch of pieces. I'm so glad I got my hands on all of these. So Leah said she's going to be making a Facebook group. Once she does, I'll update this video with that. But I'll include her website below. Let me grab my drawer of her stuff so I can show you my other. Okay, so yeah, I might have to start a new drawer. I actually just got these items the last time that I purchased from Leah, which were all these aqua and blue ones. Look, this is a fantastic, I like the amoeba shape of the pendant, and then a matching bracelet bar. And then we've got another pendant, and then a couple earring charms. I've shown you guys this stuff before, the face, and then I had 2 other bracelet bars from her, but I think I used both of them already. So for now, I'll just kind of pile this stuff in here, and then we'll go ahead and make sure we make something soon with Leah's beautiful, beautiful items. See, she is very, very talented, and I'm jealous. I would love to see like her stash of her own, her own pieces. So, all right. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you know anybody who likes beads or collecting or making jewelry, please share my channel. And then check out Leah's not Facebook group, but Leah's website. And if you're interested in like a fun bead group, check out my Facebook bead group. It's Brittany's Beads. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Hi, I didn't mean to wake you up so violently. Hi, sweetie. Hi, honey. You're so cute. Yes, you're so cute. Good night.